y'all, so in today's video I am going to show you how I just touched up the front portion, really like just this portion right here of my box braids. I'm really just trying to keep my box braids up until like December because I just don't feel like dealing with my hair. And then once December comes, I think I want to get a silk press. Comment down below if y'all want to see that process of me going to the salon and getting the silk press and everything like that. But yeah, y'all, stay tuned if you would like to see the process of how I recolor the front of my hair, and then just braid everything up. Keep watching. Hey y'all, so first I am going to start with my touch up by just taking my braids down. I'm really just gonna take down the first half. As y'all can see, my hair has grown out a lot. Like, it's all black at the roots. And if you go look at my video with me putting these in, it's been about a month, but if you go look at that video, and I'll tag it up there also, like, my roots were blonde. So I'm going to start off by just taking these braids down in the front, and then I am going to color, just to like recolor the front of my hair, just the roots, and then I am going to re-braid it up, but I will show you guys each step of the way. Okay y'all, so I finished taking down the first half. As you can see, the back is still up in braids. So I've taken down the first half, and as you can see, my roots are black. So I have already mixed up the hair dye. It's just a box dye. It's this Knotless. This is what I had on hand, and it's in the color Spiced Rum. So I have it, and I am just going to, first I'm going to go just around the perimeter of my hair. And y'all, I haven't washed it or nothing. Like, this is literally straight out of braids. But I'm gonna go ahead and go around my perimeter because, of course, that's the first that you're going to see. You know, that's the first that you're gonna see, period. Not just in braids, but period. So I'm gonna go ahead and I do my sideburns too, but I'm gonna go ahead and put that on, and then I think I'm gonna split it down the middle and just go on either side. And y'all, don't worry, like, I am going to like wash, when I get in the shower and wash this out, I'm gonna wash my whole head, including like the braids in the back, just in case I got a little dye on those braids, but I don't think I will. And y'all, I'm just really trying to saturate it because I took my glasses off for this and I don't have any contacts in, so I kind of like really can't see. So yeah. Okay, so now it's pretty much all throughout my roots. And now I think I'm gonna just go over like the ends, because I have leftover dye and I don't want to, it's already mixed up, so I don't want to waste it. Yeah, this is strong. Whew. So it's been about like a month and a half, 2 months since I done dyed, like last colored my hair. So it's fine, you know. I feel like I'm not going in too soon with the hair dye. So I'm gonna just let this sit for the, you know, I don't know how long, maybe 30-40 minutes. And then I will come back and I will wash it out and then condition, and I will show you guys that finished product. Hey y'all, so I am back. I have washed, and as you can see, just, you know, touched up my roots of my hair. It's the next day now. It is Sunday. So now what I am going to do, I got my little spray bottle right here, and all it has is water in it, and then I'm gonna go over it with this, it says it's a curl elixir, but to me it kind of seems like a leave-in conditioner. It's with the Talia Wajia, dude, I don't know that. So, and it's apple and aloe, and it really moisturizes my hair. And this is actually what I put on my hair the first time that I braided it. So I'm gonna just go through, and I think I'm gonna just do section by section, like moisturizing it, so it's all moisturized before I start braiding again. And then I'll be back to, well, I'm gonna just let the video play, but I'm gonna start braiding my hair. I just got one pack of the Frizzy Clean Therapy Pre-Rinsed and Cleansed in Vinegar Hair in the color 27. I just got one pack of that. I didn't feel like doing all the different colors this time, or the different color pack, so I just got that in the 27. And then I have just some leftover of the 613, so I'll be using the rest of that, and those are basically the only 2 colors that I'll be using. Then I got this Murray's Beeswax molding paste, and it's for, it says holds cornrows, braids, twists, and locks. So I might try to try this to see, I don't know, just how it works. And then I just got some lashes, so but yeah, y'all, that's basically all I'm using. I don't know if I'll actually use the whole pack of this hair, but I don't know, we'll see. I will let y'all know. This is probably gonna be me talking, and y'all can just watch and see. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the finished look of just me touching up my braids. As y'all can see, this is actually a week later. I actually finished, like, I touched up my braids last week Saturday. I want to say last week Saturday or Sunday. And I'm just not recording just the end of it. So as you can see, like, once again, my roots have kind of grown out a little bit, y'all. I'm down here in Texas, and like my hair has just been growing like crazy. Like, I'm trying to debate if I still want to keep this blonde color in my hair. Like, I really love this blonde color, but it's just like my roots grow out so fast. So yeah, y'all, this is the finished look of the touch up. It looks just like so much better though than it did, and it was quick too, y'all. Like, it literally only took me a couple hours just to touch up the front. Now the back, that's a different story. The back is still, you know, super frizzy and everything. But yeah, y'all, and I decided just to do the color 27 for my touch up, and then I just took a couple of the 613 pieces and just did it. Like, I did maybe like 3 right here and then 1 right here, but other than that, I didn't, you know, mix it up like I did last time. But yeah, y'all, if y'all like the finished look, make sure to like this video and comment down below how y'all like refresh y'all braids, or do, you know, whatever y'all do with y'all braids. Other than that, y'all, I will talk to y'all later, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.